This single subject film, we chose science because it's cool. Let's hand it off to our fellow scientists to show us an explosion.
Hey scientists, it's a scientist Darius here. Today, we're going to be making an explosion. Obviously, I'm a trained professional, so do not try this at home. Also, we're in the future, so everything is in liquid form. You can't get this anywhere. So first, to the mixture, we're going to add potassium nitrate. You're not going to want to put too much, but just a little bit, you know? Okay. Now, we have some carbon here. This carbon, this is where you're going to put a little more than the potassium nitrate. Alright, so you're going to put a hefty amount of that in there. Nice. Alright, now for the final ingredient, sulfur. This stuff is dangerous. So make sure that you run away as far as you can after you put the sulfur in, because this takes about a second to explode. So ready? 3, 2, 1. No! Did you see that, guys? That was a big explosion. Hey guys, it's Scientist Darius back with another experiment. This time, it's not that real, but this is my experiment, so I'm not going to tell you the chemicals that go into it. For this experiment, you're going to add some of this red substance. Perfect. Now, you're going to want to add some of this clear substance. Okay. Now you want some lime juice. Sour. Now you want some yogurt. Okay, now let's charge this thing up with a battery. This is going to give a huge gust of air. Man, that's a cool experiment. Hey guys, not only is science interesting, but there's multiple types of science. There's biology, there's physics. You can learn about the human anatomy. You can study for a long time and not get bored.